Welcome to Mero Educraft Jam series, where we break down past questions step by step and help you understand, not just memorize. Let's solve this together. Question 15. Factorize completely x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x over 2x squared minus 8. Solution. Let's take a look at this question. I will make it a very easy way for you to solve. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x over 2x squared minus 8. Looking at the numerator, you will notice that x is common here, x is common here, x is common here. So I will take x out. So I'll factorize x in x cubed, we are left with x squared. X in 3x squared, we are left with plus 3x. X in minus 10x, we are left with minus 10. Over, if you notice in the denominator, 2x squared minus 8. 2 is common in 2x squared. 2 is also a factor of 8. So let's take 2 out. 2, open bracket, 2 in 2x squared, we are left with x squared minus 2 in 8, we are left with 4. X squared plus 3x minus 10 is a quadratic equation. So what to factorize? How do we factorize? Let me quickly explain to you. My short form of doing factorization, I call this the first, I call this the second, I call this the third. So when factorizing, I multiply the value of the first and the third, which is x squared times minus 10. And that will give me minus 10x squared. Then I will look for two factors of minus 10. That when I multiply, I'm going to get back minus 10. And when I add, I'm going to get back the second value, which is plus 3x. I repeat, when factorizing, I call this the first, I call this the second, I call this the third. Multiply the first and the third together, which is x squared times minus 10. And that will give me minus 10x squared. I'll circle it. Then I will look out for two factors that when I of minus 10, that when I multiply, I'm going to have minus 10x squared. And when I add those two factors, I'll get the value of the second here. We all know factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. But I'm looking out for two factors that when I multiply must give me minus 10x squared. And when I add, must give me the value of the second, which is plus 3x. So that is plus 5x minus 2x. That is just like saying plus 5 and minus 2. I'm putting the x back to get my x squared. Plus 5 and minus 2. Let's check if plus 5x and minus 2x, when we multiply, will give us minus 10x squared. And when we add, will give us plus 3x. Plus times minus, minus 5 times 2, 10, x times x, x squared. You can see that when we multiply, we got back minus 10x squared. Let's now add to see if we get the value of the second. Plus 5x minus 2x. Plus is what you have, minus is you are owing, right? That's how I usually explain to students to understand better. So I'm having plus 5, I'm having 5x, and I'm owing 2x. When I give out from my 5x, I give out the 2x I'm owing. Will I be having change? What will I have left? I will have 3x left. So that is plus 5x minus 2x is plus 3x. And that is the value of the second. We're going to check that plus, is this plus 3x? Is that what we have here? Good. And that is what we have here. So therefore, our two factors is plus 5x and minus 2x. So right, this is how we replace the factors. All right, x squared. Then instead of writing plus 3x, is now going to be the two factors, which is plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 over 2, open bracket, x squared minus 4. What you just notice is I replace the value of the second with the two factors. You can see only the value of the second, which is plus 3x, I replace it with plus 5x minus 2x. X, open bracket, x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 over 2, open bracket, this is x squared minus 4. If you take a look at this very well, you will know that it's a difference of 2 squared. Because we're having x squared, and this minus 4 can be simplified as 2 raised to power 2. Because 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2, which will give us 4 back. X, open bracket, Now, let's factorize our usual way of doing factorization. X, open bracket, x plus 5. And what is common between the both? Minus 2, open bracket, x. Minus divided by minus is plus. 2 divided by 10 is 5. Then close our final bracket over 2, open bracket. Then we simplify the difference of 2 squared. That is x plus 2, x minus 2. And let me give you a clue. When you are doing factorization, the brackets here must be the same with the brackets here. Please take note. The brackets here, you can see my pen moving around the brackets here, and the brackets here must be the same. So, x, and since they are the same, we just pick one out of it, which is x plus 5, open bracket, then we pick the outer one, which is x minus 2. You can see my pen, x minus 2. X minus 2 over 2 x plus 2 x minus 2. If you look at it very well, between these brackets are multiplication. So x minus 2 cancel x minus 2. We're left with x, open bracket, x plus 5 over 2, open bracket, x plus 2. Answer is x, open bracket, x plus 5 over 2, open bracket, x plus 2. And that is option B. That is option B. Thank you for watching. Kindly like my video, follow and share. Wishing you success to all Jambites. Bye.